the opportunity to open our doors, roll out the red carpet for 16,000 bowlers and your families, and show off our great city.
I'm confident that Wichita will make sure that all the bowlers that not only are here today, but throughout the duration of the tournament will have a great time during their visit in Wichita.
Ladies, I hope that you enjoy our fabulous city. Have a great time in Wichita. I hope you get out and explore and see all of the wonderful amenities that we have, and know that our city is always welcome to you.
Let's make it a winner.